Hi, and welcome back to yet another video of Kshitij Bhatnagar, and I'm gonna be your host for the next couple of minutes. And now that I've said that, एक तो ये कोई thumbs up sponsored वीडियो नहीं है, ऑब्वियसली नहीं होगी, वरना मैं बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन चुका होता अभी तक. ये वीडियो is we're gonna talk about what are your deepest fears. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kshitij Bhatnagar. जो unfortunately and my deepest fears बहुत सारे हैं and I'm scared of a lot of things. उनमें से काफ़ी सारी okay we're gonna discuss मेरी deepest fears and how I'm trying to cope up with them. If you have seen that Friends, there are certain qualities जो मेरी मोनिका से बहुत ज़्यादा मैच होती हैं. That I'm a control freak. If something is not going according to my plan, I really get pissed. तो ऐसा वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है and I'm very scared of the fact कि मतलब कुछ भी if something comes up unplanned, that thing scares the shit out of me. तो वो is one of my biggest fears अभी तक. Okay, I don't think आज मेरे बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं, so you're gonna have to wait right here and I'm gonna bring my hat. Maybe that will look good. Hi. तो right. Now I'm visible. So हाँ, तो मैं बहुत बड़ा कंट्रोल फ्रीक हूँ एंड इफ समथिंग गोज़ अनप्लान्ड मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो जाता है एंड मुझे इस चीज़ से बहुत डर लगता है कि कुछ भी मुझे कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन फेस करनी पड़ जाए जिसके लिए आई एम रियली नॉट रेडी. तो वो चीज़ विल पिस मी ऑफ बहुत ज़्यादा. सेकेंडली जो मुझे चीज़ों से डर लगता है, दिस इज़ अ वेरी एक तरह बहुत मुश्किल वीडियो है बनानी बिकॉज टू कम out and tell the things that you're very afraid of takes a lot of courage. Second thing जिससे मुझे डर लगता है पानी से बेहद डर लगता है मुझे and I can't stand more than 10 seconds. 10 seconds भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, more than 2 seconds probably पानी के अंदर. मुझसे नहीं होता, बिल्कुल नहीं होता. इफ़ यू सीन ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, जैसे ऋतिक रोशन की हालत हो जाती है ना जब उसे पता चलता है कि उसे पानी के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर मेरी बहुत फट जाती है. सो अगर आपको भी पानी से डर लगता है, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड माई फियर. विद दैट सेड, मेरा जो तीसरा फियर है ये काफ़ी बड़ा है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फियर काफ़ी मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स भी हुई थी बीच में. बट स्टिल ये वाला फियर इज़ दैट आई एम रियली अफ्रेड दैट देयर विल कम अ टाइम दैट आई विल बी ऑल अलोन. एंड इवन दो आई हैव मेड वीडियोज़ अबाउट हाउ loneliness can be power, there's a big difference in being alone and feeling lonely. And feeling lonely is a part that I'm very afraid of. I don't give a shit if I'm alone. I'm better off alone, honestly. But that feeling of loneliness that I don't have anyone to talk. I might not have anyone to talk to next time. ये सारी चीज़ें really scares the shit out of me. But क्योंकि this happens, I guess this happens to people who value relationships a lot. तो उनके लिए किसी रिलेशनशिप से निकलना या उसका टूटना या उनका दूर जाना creates such fears, and this has happened a lot with me. over the years. तो ये fear अब almost every year it builds up, and probably I guess I hope so that it is at its peak इस year पे. But and again I'm gonna repeat this, there's a big difference between being alone and feeling lonely. So I'm not scared of being alone. I am really happy if those people are playing with my mental health, playing with my emotions, playing with my honesty. I don't give a crap if they are not in my future, and it doesn't matter how close they were, they will not exist in my life anymore. So I'm really not afraid of being alone. It's just that feeling of loneliness that you can't, if there ever comes a time that you want to have an emotional talk with someone, and you kind of find no one to do that with. So that's kind of very scary for me. I know there are people who have come through this, they've worked इससे ज़्यादा आगे, but this thing still pinches me a lot. So I hope I overcome this fear. I don't know how much time it will take, but I'm really working towards it, because this makes me really weak sometimes. This makes me make decisions that I really don't want to, because somewhere deep down I know they might affect me in a wrong way in the longer run, but I'm too weak to do that. So those are my biggest fears that I can think of today. And with that said, I really hope कि if you have any such fears, so you're trying to work towards them and उस चीज़ को overcome कर लो, because life's kind of too short to give in to your fears, to डर जाओ, डर के रहो. So life is too short for that. So go outside, fight your fears, and I hope you come out as a winner. And but I'll still suggest, पानी में मत जाना था. I'm really scared of that. I'm not sure उससे मैं कभी जिंदा बच पाऊँगा. So yeah, don't do that. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, fight your fears, and I love you. No wait, I'll take a sip of this thumbs up जो which has been resting मेरे यहाँ पे, जो इस हमारी वीडियो में कंपेनियन रही है आज. सी मैं थम्स अप पीता हूँ, फिर भी डर लगता है, फिर डर लगता है. I'll see you in the next video.
And I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go